Well, hey fragrance, winter is here, and not talking about winter perfume is like a crime for me. So now I'm going to talk about a perfume which is a really good perfume, and the perfume is Encens Suave by Matiere Premier. So before talking about the perfume, I want to talk about the bottle. So this is Matiere Premier bottle. They have the white label in front, and the cap. It's a bit heavy, it's a bit thick. It's a plastic cap, and the spray is good. It's a good spray. So now let's talk about the perfume. Well, Encens means incense, and it opens with this incensey note. Then it becomes this gourmandly sweet perfume, and this is one of my favorite perfume for this winter. The things like the opening, the incense is a bit harsh. It's kind of like those bakur smell, but after like wearing this for like 15 to 20 minutes, then you get this really good sweet coffee notes, and that's a really good one. And the thing is like the quality is sublime. It is a really good quality full perfume, and I really enjoy it during the winter time, during the colder days. But one thing I want to mention, and that one is the incense is a bit off-putting for some people. For that reason, I always suggest you guys to try it out before even committing for the whole bottle. If you'll ask me for the performance, it's a really good performer. It performs really good. It projects really good, and it can last around a whole day on your clothes. And for the position, two space, you're good to go. So yeah, this is Encens Soft by Matiere Premier, and I think you should give it a try.